Hey Expo, how's it going?
I'm good.
What's new?
Nothing.
You like living in a cage?
No.
You ever wish you were a person?
Yes.
Well, if you close your eyes, I can make you into a person.
What?
I can make you into a person. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Snap. How's that?
Okay.
You like your age and everything?
Can you make me a little older?
Could I make you a little older?
Please?
Okay.
Please?
Alright. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Cover your eyes.
Okay.
You have a stupid voice, dog.
Why you laughing?
That's funny.
No.
Alright, shut up, close your eyes. I'm gonna make you older.
Okay.
How's that?
I like it.
You're probably about 14 years old right now.
Yeah.
Why don't you go sit down on the couch?
Okay.
How's it feel to not be a dog?
I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Alright, well, the magic's running out. I'm gonna have to turn you back into a dog.
No.
Sorry. Sorry, Expo. I can tell how miserable you are.
No.
You're not miserable?
No. Yes. Yeah.
Alright, Expo, come here.
Come here. No.
Expo, come to me.
No.
Come to me, Expo.
You come to me. Don't point fingers. What are you doing? Get away. Rub my belly.
Goodbye, Expo.
Look at my tail.